Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to put your SIM card in Samsung Galaxy A56 and A36. So here I have one A36, but it's the same also for A56. And to put SIM card inside the phone, first you need to go to the box, because we need a little pin from here. And here there is. Now just remove this pin and go to your phone here in the bottom, and here is the SIM tray for the SIM card, and you need to put this pin inside the hole. Be careful, because we have here two holes. The first one is for SIM card, and the second one is for a microphone. So just put this pin here in the first hole and push it like this, and now remove the SIM tray. Now let's take a closer look. Here we can put the SIM1, and on the back we can put the SIM2. There is no place for the memory SD card anymore. Now let's put the SIM cards. This is the first one. You need a nano SIM, and this is the right position. You need to put it like this. And now let's go to the back, and here you can put the second SIM. Here there is again nano SIM, and this is the right position. You need to put it like this. And now go back to the first one. You need to have the first SIM card in the front of your eyes. Okay, and go to the phone and put the SIM tray back like this. This is the right position, and push it, and that's all. Now let's go to the phone. You need to, if you have a pin on your card, you need to enter it. Mine is 40, and okay. And you need to wait for a few seconds until you get the signal here in the top, and that's all. Now to remove the SIM cards, again, use the little pin, put it here like this, push it, remove the SIM tray, remove the cards, and put back the SIM tray, and that's all. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.